Alright boys, we're gonna encounter a tornado. This is another one of those 360 YouTube videos that no one ever knows about. So let's get into it.
We have breaking news. A tornado has been spotted in the northwest part of the county.
How come the resolution is perfectly fine on the video, but not on the
moving
news?
southeast at a rapid...
Wait, give me a minute. Much better.
rate. All residents who live east of County Line and west of the Pine River are urged to take cover in a basement or tornado shelter.
How do I get out of the seat? How do I get out of the seat? Ah yes, those creepy alert systems that occur. Oh my god. Man, how do I walk? This is not how I die in space. I already died once in space. I'm not going to die again. Oh, there's a door. Did you know you can see that? No. I'm not going to do it now. I paid $500 a month for this house. And now you're going to destroy it. So I just sat here in this damn chair the whole time. Well, at least I'm still alive. Well, a quarter of the house was destroyed. That was pretty quick, but it was pretty good as well. Anyways. Well, that was rather too quick. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Anyways, bye.